I'm guessing your day is like back to back to back meetings. Out of one Zoom or Teams call and into another. Hardly any time to catch your breath, stressed out. I hear you. It's intense right now. However, I want you to think about this. When you're going to go into a meeting and say you're going to make a presentation or even just be in a meeting, right? How you show up matters. And if you're going to deliver a presentation to people you don't know or clients or colleagues in a project meeting, people are going to start judging you the minute they lay eyes on you, not when you start presenting. And if you show up and you're kind of somewhere else or, I'm a little bit stressed out or, yeah, I'm here. Oh, hey, bud. Hey, how's it going? We're going to start making judgments, right? And maybe that's not exactly how you want to show up. You want to show up and be ready to spread good vibes and good energy and be in the meeting, right? So I always do a little check-in. First of all, you might want to stand for this if you can. So before I go into any meeting, and if I'm in real life, before I go, and I go to a lot of clients, before I walk through the door, I'm going to do a little emotional check-in. So I'm just going to take a moment and be like, okay, where am I right now emotionally? Where do I need to be? And if I'm not where I need to be, how do I get there? Do I need to go do a little physical warm-up, whatever that is for you? Do I need to blast some music and dance around? Do I need to do some push-ups? Like, what do I need to do to get my emotional state into a great place? So when I join this meeting and open my computer, I'm ready to spread some good vibes and ready to be there and, make an impact. So be ready. Do an emotional check-in next meeting or presentation and let me know how it goes.